Good morning, everyone. It's time to do calendar, and I'm so excited because it's a new month. I love new months in my classroom. It's like a fresh start. We talk about our new month. So let's do our rule song. Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. All right, friends. So first, before we talk about the months, let's do the days of the week, okay? Get ready. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Sunday. What is today? Right. Today is Monday. The days of the week always stay the same. They go in the same order every time. Sunday, Monday. Today's Monday. Great. All right, now we get to talk about our new month. I see here, if we look at our calendar, it's all green. This is pretty cool, right? And up here, it's not May anymore. Let's do all of the months and see if we can figure out what month it is. All right. Here we go. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. All right. So May is all done, right? M-A-Y. May is all done. This month is June. It's June. Good. Let's look at the word June. All right. What letter does June start with? J, right? J-U-N-E spells June. Awesome. Please be careful doing that, okay? All right, so it's June. Click on this.
Today.
Oops. All right. So now we get to count, and it's not a big number, right? Because today's the first day in June. So all we have to do is we have to count to number 1. That's it. June 1st. Wow. So let's fill in the missing day of the week and the missing number. If we counted 1, 2, 3, what number is missing? 1, right? Sunday, Monday, Monday. Okay, we did it. Awesome. Did we do it right? Yeah, it looks right. Okay, mark any special days this month. Well, I see here, June 20th, the season goes from spring to summer. So in June, it turns to summertime. That's pretty special. And then June 21st is Father's Day. We celebrate fathers or grandpas, papas. That's a special day. Oops. Awesome job. So Monday, June 1st today. Perfect. Let's go here. The month is. Let's see if we can find June. J-U-N-E. Is this June? No, right? This is June. This is July. Let's try again. How about this? There's the J. J-U-N-E. Does that match? Yeah, we're right. The month is June. Awesome job. Let's do this for fun. The day is the number. Remember? What number is it? It's 1. Let's find the number 1. There it is. Does that look like a 1? Yes. All right, let's do weather now. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? All right, the weather today. Let's look at our windows. All right. I don't see a lot of clouds in the sky. I don't see any clouds, actually. I see the sun, though. The weather today is sunny. Good. What's the weather at your house? I bet it's sunny, too. Great job. All right. Let's do the temperature. The temperature today. Right now, oh, it's a little chillier. Right now, the temperature is 52. Remember that degrees sign? Looks like this, degrees. 52 degrees. Okay? And I meant to say it's a little chillier because it's been very hot outside, right? So 52, that seems cool to me. Cool. We might need a sweatshirt if we go out right now to cover our arms. The temperature today right now is cool. The season. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So even though I said summer happens June 20th, it's not June 20th yet. So the season is still what? It's still spring. Good. Great job, you guys. All right, let's go back to our calendar. Look at that. All right, let's say the whole date, okay? Today is Monday. What's the new month? June. What's the number? First, number 1, right? 2020. The weather today was sunny. The temperature today feels cool, right? It's 52 degrees. And the season is still spring. Great job, you guys. Happy Monday. Have a good day. I miss you. Bye.